Hey there, local business owners. Are you ready to transform your business and see a surge in customers? Are you struggling to get customers through your door? You're not alone. Many local businesses face this challenge, especially in today's competitive market. Today, I'm going to share the best way to boost your foot traffic and put that smile back on your face. Imagine a bustling cafe, a packed barber shop, or a lively gym. These are the dreams of every local business owner, and they can be your reality too. What do they all have in common? They have mastered the art of attracting and retaining customers. They know how to attract and keep customers, but how exactly do they do it? The answer lies in a powerful strategy that you can start using today, but what happens when there are no customers? It's discouraging, isn't it? The silence can be deafening, and the empty spaces can feel like a constant reminder of what could be. It's time to turn that around. With the right approach, you can change the narrative and see your business thrive. The secret weapon you'll want to harness is reputation management. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for local businesses. Reputation management is how you control your online presence and influence what people think about your business. It's about building trust and credibility in the eyes of your potential customers. Here's how you can use it to get customers in the door fast. By taking control of your online reputation, you can create a positive image that attracts new customers and keeps them coming back. First, actively monitor what's being said about your business online. This is crucial because it allows you to stay on top of your reputation and address any issues promptly. Use tools like Google Alerts or social media monitoring to stay aware of feedback. These tools can help you track mentions of your business and respond quickly to any reviews or comments. Next, ask your satisfied customers to leave glowing reviews. Positive reviews are like gold for your business. They build trust and attract new customers. Happy customers love to shout from the rooftops about their experiences, so encourage them to share. A simple request can go a long way in building your online reputation. Don't forget, always respond to reviews professionally. Your responses show that you care about customer service and value feedback, whether they're good or bad. Your responses show that you care about customer service and value feedback. Addressing negative reviews with grace and professionalism can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. Maintain an active online presence by creating quality content that resonates with your audience. This can include blog posts, social media updates, and engaging videos. This establishes your authority and helps promote a positive image. Lastly, train your team. Your staff plays a crucial role in maintaining your business's reputation. Ensure everyone understands the importance of reputation management and knows how to interact positively with customers. A well-trained team can make a significant difference in how your business is perceived. So there you have it. By focusing on reputation management, you can transform your business and see a significant increase in customers. Reputation management is the key to getting more customers through your doors. It's about building trust, engaging with your audience, and showcasing the best of what your business has to offer. By implementing these strategies, you'll build a positive reputation and see increased foot traffic in no time. Your business will become a go-to spot in the community. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help you succeed. Let's boost your business together. With the right strategies and a focus on reputation management, your local business can thrive and grow.